So hello guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back in again consistent video. And as you know that I always make a lot of mistake in my videos and just try to learn this language because I want to be fluent in English and I have a beliefness I will do it in future, and it's a perseverance of mine and I want to be a fluent English speaker. So in any circumstances I don't want to stop it, and I don't want to just overthink about it ki, yeah, I will learn or not. This is very important part of mine, and in this video I'm going to suggest you, if you are a new person, if you really want to learn this language, then what you have to do it in an initial phase. So let's get started. So rule number one, and one more thing is that, sorry to hamper you, one more thing is that I am not creating my video for my any content. I just make my video for my daily knowledge, daily consistency, and also it's really based on me what I am doing here. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, rule number one is that if you really want to learn this language, you don't need to do many more things. Like many people suggest you have to talk, you have to learn English grammar, you have to make your environment, you have to talk with the people, you have to talk in front of mirror, you have to read English, you have to just keep surround yourself with the English. But in India it's not possible. I'm saying it's not possible because it's truth. I'm not only anything saying here, anything telling here because of other people tells me. No, I am only saying because I feel that type of things. I really, it's a personal experience of mine. No one just suggests you, no one just help you in your initial phase, and no one wants to talk with you. All the things what you have to do is, it is all about you, what you have to do next. Okay, this is a very important part. You have to learn it. No one suggests you, no one help you. All the people criticize you, mock at you, laugh at you, and jeer at you. I know this three words same meaning, but yeah, it's a part of mine, and I why I'm just making video because I want to be a consistent. So rule number is one is you have to do all the things. Okay, rule number two is that what you have to do in an initial phase. If you're a beginner and if you really want to talk in English, I always suggest you open your camera is your best friend. Believe me, because why I am saying, I am a proof of it. I am a proof, really proof. I'm just doing for years. You can see my videos since for a years last videos. Okay, where was I that time and right now? The growth of mine you can see as you can just click on my first videos and just see me. Okay, so that's why I'm suggesting you, if you really want to learn this language, you have to record yourself. Always record yourself. That is the very easiest way, and no one suggests you. All the people just suggest you talk with the real people, but the other people, how we are able to talk with other people? The other people don't want to talk with me, not interested in me, not to talk in English. That's the main goal. And when I started my journey, I'm not talking about other people. I'm talking about my brother, my sister. He or she doesn't interested in myself, in me, to talk with me in English. So this is a condition of India. No one wants to talk with you in English. Okay, if you are try to talk, other people criticize you and just show you why are you doing. Okay, why this is important. That is the main problem. What is happening? Because the other people don't want to talk with you, it not mean he doesn't interested in it. That's mean he doesn't know how to talk in English. And we are so comfortable in Hindi, so we don't use that language to talk with me, talk with the other people, this language. So the main goal is that why this English language is so important. Why we feel when we are going into the office, when we are going to just take an interview, that time we feel like this language is very important. And it's really 100% true and genuine thing. English language is very important for Indian people. It's a secondary language, I know that, but it's very very important. And this language is very important because we are growing and we are modernizing. How can I say? We are just going in a modernization way day by day, and it's really very necessary for us to learn this language. And if we are not capable in future to talk in English, we just feel so much illiterate that time. It's really very true because our environment just going into the modernization way. So that is very important. And I'm not saying that this language is very hard for the people, because I am feeling so much easiest way. I feel so much easy whenever I'm talking in front of people. And this language is really so easy. You deny on, you just how can I say, I don't know. Yeah, you can see me, I am also making lot of mistake in my videos and fumble many times, but I'm not losing my confidence, because the main goal and rule number 3 is that you have to be confident always. You have to just be motivated always. Okay, always be motivate yourself. Okay, motivation is really important for you, and confident. Okay, try to believe on yourself, you can do it. Like, I made lot of mistake in my videos, I know, I accept it, but yeah, I have a beliefness I will be fluent in future, because I am in this way and I want to prove my people, my audience, and the Indian people. If you are not learning English grammar rules, if you are not vocabulary, if you're not able to learn vocabularies, it's not mean you will not capable to learn this language and you are not capable to be fluent. Okay, it's not mean, it's a totally wrong things, totally wrong thinking. If you really want to be a learn this language, just you have to do some steps, and I'm going to show you. And it's a proof. I'm not saying that the people tell me what the other people tell me. I'm only saying what's the truth, what's the genuine thing, what I am applying on myself. And why I'm always suggesting you, because I have been doing since for years, and I am improving myself. And as a proof, you can see my past videos. I am always emphasize on that particular thing. English is just all about a habit, not just only a language. This is a habit. You have to make your habit. And how it is possible? It's a rule number 4. You have to talk in front of camera. Talk as much as you can. And many people say to me, tell me like what I have to talk. I will suggest you, if you're not capable to talk a single word, you have to write it down in a copy about yourself. Like, write it introduction, and try to just speak in front of camera with just watch, look at your copy and just watch it to camera and try to talk it. It's a very basic step, but don't break your consistency. Don't break it. You have to make your habit. Do it same thing again and again for 30 days, and after 30 days you will realize, you will learn all the introduction of yourself, and you will be fluent in introduction. Okay, and then after that 30 or 40 days, you have to change your topic. Try to talk about another topic, like your, about your siblings, about your family, about your pollutions, populations, anything. Write it down, and after that talk it regularly. And if you feel you will learn it, you have to try to talk without watching copy, without looking at copy. Okay, that is the main goal. And after that 3 or 4 topics, if you will be completed, if you will have done all your copy, means your written, what you are writing in a copy, you feel so much growth in yourself, and you will like, yeah, I'm doing something great, and I'm capable to talk in English that time, because you have a amount of you have a amount of vocabularies, you have a amount of sentences. Okay, try to do that basic steps. Okay, and you will feel so much growth in yourself. That is the easiest way, and that's what I'm applying in myself. And try to rectify yourself always. Okay, if you completed 4 or 5 topics, it's not mean you will be fluent, but the thing is that you are capable to talk in English. Means you are fumble that time, you will be you will fumble that time also, but you have to be remain calm, you have to remain patient that time. You have to be calm and do it same thing again and again regularly. You will be fluent. That you will so much growth in yourself that time. Do it same thing again and again. This language is not, you will learn, you are not able to learn this language in a 6 months. I'm saying the truth here. You have to give proper time, and you will learn this language in a 1.1 to 1.5 years. Okay, and this is the truth. This is not a just a play game. Okay, this is not a child's play. It's take time. Anything if you are doing, it's take time, it's take a lot of time, so you have to be keep calm. I'm not saying you have to record video for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, but you have to at least give a 5 to 6 minutes that time. This is very necessary, and I'm always giving 10 minutes, 11 minutes, 12 minutes. But I'm saying you, if you are a beginner, if you are a new person, in this field, you want to learn this language, do it same thing again and again, and try to record for a 5 minutes. It's give you a lot of benefit, believe on me, because I am doing that, and it's a proof of mine. You can see my past videos. So that is point of mine, that is the my points, and what you think about it, let me know in a comment section. And if I made any mistake in this video, let me know what I have to improve in my videos. So that's for it. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.